Jessie J clapped back at a troll who body shamed her just months after sharing that she had a miscarriage. Jessie J has no tolerance for body shaming. The singer posted a picture of her struggling to button a pair of pants. She simply captioned the Insta Story, via Daily Mail, "Mood." Well, that must have prompted some comments, because the Domino singer then went on to give a diatribe about how uncool it is to body shame people, especially without knowing what they may be going through. Stop commenting on people's weight. Anyone. Just stop. Or telling someone they look pregnant for sure. Or you look skinny. Just anything. Just stop. I see it so much on socials and know it happens in real life, she wrote on a separate slide on her Instagram story. In other words, she really doesn't want to hear what you think about her body. Which is fair. Speaking of, she's actually happy about the weight gain. Thanks for asking. I have gained 10 pounds in the past 6 months and I feel great, she continued. That's just under a stone to those who don't do pounds. It might stay or it might not, or I might gain more. Who cares? I don't care as long as I feel good and I'm healthy. Related gallery. Stars with Rainbow Babies, Carrie Underwood, Mike the Situation Sorrentino and more. She then shared that someone actually asked her if I was pregnant. The user apparently said, "You look pregnant." Then Jessie brought up her tragic miscarriage, writing, "And they also know of what I went through last year and told me their thoughts on that and how I should have handled it." Jessie miscarried back in November and revealed the heartbreaking news on her social media. She explained that despite the tragedy, she wasn't going to cancel the concert she had lined up for that night. The Big Bang singer realized that singing would be the best way for her to cope, as she found it cathartic. Meanwhile, she wasn't going to let that person get away with the rude pregnant about her looking pregnant without clapping back. So strange and damn bold. I would never. Just no. It's no, she continued. Not cool to just say or comment on anyone's body. Unless they / tell you or ask your opinion, it's not one that's needed or helpful. While though some people don't know that, few